are going to learn about what Muslims say. Muslims say Alhamdulillah when they sneeze and Yarhamakallah when they hear someone else sneeze. Achoo! Alhamdulillah. Bless you. Oh, Salam Alaikum, Zain. You know, when I say Alhamdulillah after I sneeze, you should say Yarhamakallah. Oh, okay. So let's try it again. Achoo! Alhamdulillah. Yarhamakallah. That's right, Zain. This time you practice sneezing, and I'll say Yarhamakallah. Okay, Sister Nazi. Achoo! Alhamdulillah. Yarhamakallah. See, now you know how to do it. Now you could practice at home. When you sneeze, say Alhamdulillah. When you hear someone else sneeze, say Yarhamakallah.